Hi, I'm Margaret and I have a very quick recipe for you today. I'm going to be making a lovely little chocolate coating that you can pop onto the top of cakes. I'm using Tony's chocolate today. Now the Tonys have a special message for us, which I'll share with you later. But just to say, their chocolate is absolutely beautiful. It's a favourite of mine since I've discovered it. I'm going to use about half a bar today, that's about 100 grams. And I'm chopping it so that when I melt it in the microwave, it will be a little bit quicker. Now you can use just chocolate to coat a cake, of course you can, but I've found that adding a little bit of coconut oil really helps with the texture and helps you control the spreading of the chocolate on top of the cake. I'm not a great fan of cream, so ganache is not one of my favourites, so this fits the bill beautifully. Now about that message, inside every chocolate wrapper you'll see this. The message is to highlight the inequality of the profits that come from making chocolate, and the chocolate itself is divided into unequal pieces to emphasise this fact. Tonys distribute their profits equally, so their aim is to share this with the world, hoping that all chocolate production will work this way in the future. When the chocolate's almost melted, I like to give it a jolly good stir, and that stir helps to get rid of those last few little lumps. Now I like to leave this out for a little while, just so it thickens slightly. We don't want it pouring right off the cake, we want it to settle quite nicely. Once it's been sat out for a couple of minutes, it should be about right. Should be a little bit thicker now and ready to go on that cake. So, a little bit at a time, right in the centre, and spread as we go. A little bit more now, right into the centre, and as you move the spoon around it will spread quite nicely. Let's put the rest of that on there now. And we'll go back to a knife to encourage it towards the sides and over the edges. Just look at that, beautiful. Thanks for joining me for my quick recipe this week. Have a great one. Catch you soon.